What's up guys, we're on day 5 right now in Philadelphia, furnishing these 18 to 20 apartments. So I'm gonna basically do a quick walkthrough of all the apartments, show you guys the progress, and my team's been working from 7 a.m. to 11 p.m. every single day for the last 3, 4, 5 days straight. So we got about a couple days left in Philly. Hopefully we can finish everything within due time and basically explain to you what's left that needs to get done. So this is one of the rooms that we use to basically build out everything. If you come over here, majority of stuff is for this apartment is pretty much already done, it's already built out. Now I just gotta clean everything up and basically stage everything. All the console tables are basically being built here, all the lamps, a bunch of chairs, so all that stuff's basically gonna be moved out of here into the other apartments. The trash has to be cleared out. All these sheets that you guys see on here and these pillows need to be thrown completely in the garbage. So the cleaners are gonna come, strip off all the sheets, strip off all the pillow sheets, and just throw them completely in the garbage. Even the pillows themselves, all in garbage. These pillows are about $3 to $4 each from Target, if you can look at them over there. I bought brand new pillows, very nice luxury hotel style feather pillows from Costco for about $12 a pillow, right over there. So these are being all completely thrown in the garbage. I got about like 4 days left in Philadelphia thing. I'm gonna go back to Dallas. I'm very close on closing a 20 unit deal in another city. As of right now, I got about 6 units in Dallas that are being furnished right now. Really nice loft style units are being furnished. So I have about 5, 6 units that are being furnished. 4 of the 6 units are full of furniture right now. I'm just waiting for all the painters to be finished painting the walls. By the time I get back to Dallas, I'll have the team assembling all the furniture, have them start basically distributing everything and getting those units ready. So it's just non-stop, back to back to back. I got about a month and a half left to keep the grind going. So we'll see how long I can go on this for. I'm actually living in one of the units like in the building. So it's a lot easier for me to actually go ahead and get things done. So somebody, when they're bringing something in, pretty much, left a mark on the wall. So I need this entire part repainted, but not bad itself. All right, here's the bar stools. Bar stools are done here. So all looks good. So we're still missing a sofa that's coming in. We're still missing a small dining table. This rug is too big, that's gonna be out of here. All the wall arts are good though, everything else looks good. In the bedroom, let's take a look. So in the bedroom here, the nightstands are there. We're missing the lamps. All these sheets and towels you see on there, garbage. We're stripping it all off and completely throwing it away and just putting brand new on there. And besides that, the bedroom's pretty much ready. You just gotta put the wall art on top, lamps, clean everything up a little. That's basically it. So as you guys see right here, my cleaners are going into every single unit, taking off all the sheets, stripping all the laundry, and just putting it in bags over to here. And at the end of the day, they're gonna basically take all this and dump it in the dumpster in the back of the building. What's up, man? How's it going?
Terrible.
Why is it terrible? So basically what happened was, the last operator, when they built these beds, they built them very, very janky. As in like, it was very, very loose. As you guys can see, like it's shaking a lot right now. So you have to go through every single bed frame and he's gonna re-tighten every single bed. That way it's not loose, it's not janky, and just make it a lot more sturdy. But besides that, the bed frames are fine. There's no point of throwing it away. Everything else is fine about the actual bed frame itself. It's a metal bed frame. That guy's been grinding literally 12 hours a day for the last like 4 days in a row. It's because of him, we pretty much have gone this far in such a short little time. There's a lot of work to be done. Because like I told you guys, right, another Airbnb operator was in this building and he had 14 units. He wasn't paying rent, he was delayed about 130K delinquency. Landlord called me up, said, Hamza, take all of his apartments, plus add a little bit more on top. I said, sure, no problem whatsoever, Mr. Landlord. So then I came in and took all of his apartments plus more. The thing is, a lot of his apartments were full of junk, garbage. So we had to go in and basically just throw out everything that basically wasn't useful at all. So this is one of the new 2-bedroom units where it didn't come in with any of the old furniture. So I still have to order brand new furniture for this entire space. So over here, as you guys can see, I painted all the walls in nice dark color. Just something that I wanted to do and try out. It didn't really cost much, probably $100 a wall. In the studios, 1 bedrooms, only 1 to 2 walls that have to get done. 2 bedrooms had about 3 walls that need to get done. Besides that, the overall layout for all these 2 bedrooms pretty much gonna be sofa over there, coffee table, rug, wall art, TV stand, TV, accent chair, something, bar stools, the usual. I've done this literally 200 times. Everything's pretty much standard at this point. It works, it makes money. There's no reason to change it. Usually, you guys don't really see me flying out to every single city just to get some units set up. I have teams in place to do that for me. The difference is with this one, it was a brand new relationship, brand new property manager, brand new building. You gotta show face, you gotta communicate, you gotta actually be there, shake hands and actually talk to people. That way they can put a face behind your company. I'm gonna show you a few of the last units that we have going up on the top floor of the building. I'll show you a little bit of my cleaning staff as well. All right. So over here, as you guys can see, just stripped off all the old sheets, stripped them off the mattress protectors, stripped everything off and threw completely in the trash. All the new towels here, washcloths, kitchen towels, all of these brand new nice luxury pillows over here. So we're getting ready to completely turn the entire space into, finally be rentable again. All these walls are nicely painted, everything's pretty much good. The entire staff here, you can see, they're just deep cleaning the entire place right now. So Michelle here?
Yeah, she's coming now.
Oh, she's coming? Okay. Sounds good. So we're actually gonna come back when she comes because she's like the supervisor. The last unit that I'm gonna show you guys today is this one over here. This is another empty 2-bedroom unit that still all the furniture is arriving for. As you guys can see, I painted both walls this time, not just one. I wanna see how it's gonna look. The view is actually beautiful once I lift these things up. Honestly, I don't even know how, but essentially exact same thing, right? Bar stools, TV stand, coffee table, big rug, tree, plant, sofa, TV, exact same scenario, exact same that I've been doing for this entire time. Now, good thing about it is these bedrooms are actually quite large. So if you come over here and take a look, what I'm gonna do is basically have an entire bed frame on this wall right here, nice queen bed, 2 nightstands, but on this side over here, I'm gonna have a crib. The reason is right now a crib is one of the top 5, I think, searched amenities on all of Airbnb. So if I can add a crib in a 2-bedroom unit, then 100% I'm gonna add a crib. It's just gonna make your place that much more searchable, help with their SEO, and get more bookings. All right, cool. You're gonna get the meeting right now?
Yeah.
It's okay if he comes, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, cool. So basically, that was my operations manager for all my housekeeping staff in the majority of my cities. I fly her out, hires people, hires a bunch of Hispanic workers for me, builds the entire team. They all communicate in Spanish. I have no idea what's going on. I have no idea what anyone's saying. So we're gonna basically take a look. Majority of it's gonna be in Spanish, so we're not gonna stick around for too long, but so for those of you that know Spanish, a lot of this is gonna be really beneficial because you're actually gonna learn how a housekeeping team is actually being built from the ground up and how they're being trained and making sure you get 5-star reviews. So as you guys can see, that right there is a prime example of how you start, how you train, and how you build an efficient housekeeping staff, all in-house, all on hourly pay. I honestly have no idea what was being said the entire time because I don't speak Spanish yet, but just from the body language and from the movement of the hands, I can tell she was laying down some fire. Now I'm gonna show you guys the supply closet that we're using. I think I showed you guys last time, but let me show you one more time. And they actually cleaned it up a lot, got rid of a lot of the old stuff and junk in there and made it really, really nice. All right, so I'm gonna show you guys this supply closet. And this is, a utility room that the building gave us. Let's get its password on it. What's the password again? And basically all the cleaning supplies, all the vacuums, all the extra stuff is pretty much gonna be in here. Refillables, disposables. So it is a little messy right now. We're still cleaning it out, still setting it up, but a lot of these racks here you see, they're actually a little too small. So I'm gonna use a little bit of more measurements and get a nice bigger racks, like the ones that I have in Dallas. My Dallas storage unit is huge. I mean, it's enormous with a bunch of racks and everything basically organized and categorized. But if you wanna come take a look, so far, not a bad job. We got all of our dish pods, detergent pods, linen rollers. We have a lot of the hand soaps, bleaches, Cloroxes, Windexes. There's a lot of stuff already. It's, pretty good to go. But we do have to make some more room, probably add a rack stand here and another 2 rack stands over there. But this is a work in progress, and as you guys see over time, once we're finally done, it's gonna look superb. Now, once the units are gonna be done in the next 2-3 days, the only thing left that really has to get done is basically changing out some of the accessibility. So these are the smart locks that were basically placed beforehand. These suck. There's no smart features to it. If a guest basically checks in and then after that, they can check in at any time using the exact same code. So these locks suck. So I bought 𝐤𝐤𝐤𝐞 code locks, $300 a lock times 20 units, $6,000 I spent just on smart locks alone that have to be replaced. Next on top of that, a Ring camera. Stick a Ring camera right at the top, pointing downwards. Set that up, connect to Wi-Fi. Set that up, connect to Wi-Fi. Download the app, connect to all the accounts. Set the Wi-Fi up. Noise sensors inside every single apartment. This is Philadelphia. This is not Texas. So people here are a lot more aggressive and rowdy in the units. So you have to have noise sensors on at all times, 24/7 monitoring no matter what. All right, so right now we gotta do a quick run to Home Depot. We need to grab a few of the cleaning supplies that didn't arrive yet, just so we can get the initial deep cleans done ASAP and pronto. Then after that, after we're done at Home Depot, we're gonna go to another unit that just got finished being furnished. It's a nice 2-bedroom, very large penthouse unit that I got done furnishing. The rent on that one's about $3,000 a month, got 2 months free. It should be making honestly $6K to $7K a month, just from how nice the unit is. The location's amazing. So I'll show you guys basically how I furnished that one. The reason why that 2-bedroom unit is gonna make so much is because I spent almost 18 grand furnishing that one 2-bedroom unit by itself. On average, I'm spending about 8K I'd say right now on furnishing a 2-bed. I went above and beyond and spent about 18 grand just to furnish that one 2-bedroom. So you'll see my methodology, the reasoning behind it, and you'll see basically what it looks like on why I think it's gonna make 6-7K a month. We're gonna grab the supplies, quick in and out. We got a lot to do today, so let's quickly grab this. This one. So we just finished up at Home Depot. We're gonna take all the supplies, bring them back to the apartment building. That way the cleaners can now, instead of waiting 3-4 days for the huge Sam's Club order of cleaning supplies, they can just get started right away and continue on with the deep cleaning. Right, there's a few things that you actually can't, I honestly can't even find in Amazon or Sam's Club, such as specific type of brushes to get the edges of the bathroom, edges of the trim, that they only sell at Home Depot. So just go ahead and buy those from there. It doesn't really matter at the end of the day. It's a couple bucks. On average, because you have your entire team in-house, I am budgeting around $25 a month for actual cleaning supplies per unit. And that honestly can range anywhere from $25 to $50 a month. Sometimes it'll be even $5 a month in case somebody stayed there for an entire month. So when I did the numbers or in the math, it came out to an average about $25 per month throughout all 230 something properties. Well, let me do some math real quick. So that $25 a month times 230 properties is almost about $6,000 a month I'm spending just on the actual cleaning supplies themselves, not counting on the actual hard labor costs of the housekeeping team. Come on in everybody, let me show you this brand new 2-bedroom penthouse unit in Philadelphia that I just finished furnishing. All right, so if you take a look, this unit I spent a total of $18,000 to furnish. Usually I'm spending only about $8,000, the very maximum, to furnish a 2-bedroom. But just look at the amount of nice detail that I put into this 2-bedroom unit. On average, this unit should be making me anywhere around $6,000 to $7,000 a month. The rent alone in this unit is about $3,000. Now with this deal, I got the security deposit to $1,500 and I got 2 months in rent concessions for free. The first month's free and the 13 months free. So I spent $18,000 in the unit, first month's free. We got it ready in about a week and a half. Just in those extra 2.5 weeks, made about $4K. So I'll give my money back basically in the next 60 days. That was the main living room and kitchen area. This is the dining area itself, and now let me show you the bedroom. So the bedrooms, I went honestly pretty basic, nothing too special. You got your regular desk chair, your desk, your 55-inch 4K TV, and I went with queen beds, really nice mattresses, the nightstands and lamps. I did an accent wall in the entire bedroom. I had a wall art on there before, but honestly, it looks a lot cleaner and nicer without a wall art. That's my personal opinion. You can put a wall art on an accent wall if you want. Totally up to you. I just like it like this personally. So that was the entire first floor of the entire unit. Let me take you upstairs and show you the entire second floor of the unit. And this right here is pretty much where the hero picture is taken from. This right here is the money shot. Imagine you're gonna book an Airbnb and this is what you walk into. Look at how nicely designed the space is. Dark accent walls, a nice blue pool table, blue sofas, blue accent chairs, gold coffee table. Like, you know, I really am proud of the space because honestly, the pictures don't even do it justice from how nice the property is. I'm telling you guys, $6,000, $7,000 easily this penthouse unit is gonna make. So as you guys saw, that unit was actually one of the first times I actually went all out and spent that much money on a 2-bedroom apartment. Because I know because of the location, the size, and the limited supply of that type of quality product in this area is definitely gonna make me a lot more money if I furnished it as an average 2-bedroom. I'm telling you guys, you have to spend the money nowadays because the competition is only getting tougher. The competition is only getting fiercer. There's a huge supply in the marketplace. There's been more hosts on Airbnb now than ever before because the social media personalities are boosting how amazing the business model is, myself included. So you have to basically figure out what can you do to stay ahead of the competitive advantages that you can find in your marketplace, where there's there's pricing strategy, revenue management, design, furnishing the units, location, anything and everything you can think of, apartments, houses, free parking, hot tubs, amenities, every single thing that's possible to think of, you have to basically figure out what can I do to get a competitive advantage against everybody else in the entire space. So now I'm spending a lot more money on my units than I was before, and I'm seeing the returns already due to people wanting to see a property that's professionally designed, that looks a lot nicer and a lot more different than every single property on Airbnb. This new penthouse property, along with the other 20 apartments I'm currently furnishing, that'll put me at around 30 apartments in Philadelphia. Hopefully by the next 60 days, I should be at 30 to 50 apartments in Philadelphia due to how many more properties I close and how many more deals I have in the pipeline. As of right now, I'm negotiating with another landlord for another 20 properties in another city in Pennsylvania. I have another property that's being furnished right now, 6 apartments in Dallas. I have another deal that I'm working on in Austin. So right now, I'm pretty much all over the place. Deals are happening, deals are being furnished, negotiations are happening, I'm closing deals, things are going, and we're getting to 300 units. Like I told you guys, my goal is to make $1 million a month by July. By July, just the month of July alone, I have to make $1 million just in that 1 month on Airbnb, and that's been my goal since the beginning of the year. So far right now, after these 20 units are done, I'll be around the 250 to 260 mark. I got to double count and check. But I did the math. For me to get to $1 million a month, conservatively, I have to have 300 units by July 1st. If I have 300 properties by July alone, I should make my $1 million a month. Thank you so much, guys, for listening and tuning into this video. I really hope you appreciate it. It was a really long video, and if you stayed till the end, that means you're a true follower and a true believer of the entire business model. You love my content, and I really hope you share this with your friends. My Instagram is below, my TikTok's below. Feel free to follow me on all those platforms. I post daily the real life, behind the scenes operations of a real Airbnb host that's making 7 to 8 figures a year that nobody else is doing creating this space. All started from scratch with $4,000 2 years ago. If you want to follow me, my TikTok is here, my Instagram is here. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I hope to catch you all next time.